Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I am talking about a custom case that I have recently received. Well, I kind of commissioned it, but I also recently received it, and it was also partially a surprise. I know that's a confusing lot of contradictions, but that's besides the point. So, here's what I will preface this video by saying. I asked my girlfriend to customize a PC case for me. I got an H510 in white, I gave it to her, and let her do, art, because she's really good at art. And all I said for any guidance or recommendations was that for this case, it had to be cute, and it should be recognizable. So it's not just randomly cute, it should be possibly themed and maybe recognizable from a show or something that is cute. So I don't, so that's really, I don't really know what I meant by that at the time. I just thought it'd be an interesting concept to have something adorable and recognizable on a case, because the theme of the build I'm going for is a cute build, because I've kind of amassed a bunch of different parts that are themed in a very similar way to each other, just completely by accident. Some of you may know exactly which parts I'm talking about, but if you don't, you'll see when I make the full build video. But I don't want to spoil any more than I have about that build. I want to show you guys this amazing custom case that I have. Oh man, it is so awesome, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Okay, after, it took a good while, because it is a lot of art on this case, as you'll see. And after about a few weeks, I finally got the H510 back from my girlfriend, and what I got when I opened the box, I was going to open it on video, but I just couldn't help myself. I had to open it in advance, was this. Hopefully the light's not blocking the art. This is an NZXT H510 Cute Edition. Yes, this is a one-of-a-kind custom case that I will be using for my build. For reference, if you don't know what the NZXT H510 in white is, everything you see here was definitely not here before. This was an entirely white case. It has been completely customized, and it's beautiful. I love it so much. It's so adorable. And yes, on the case is Technicolor horses with guns. Yes, I am not stupid. I do know what these characters are from. And I was like, well, you got the recognizable, you got the cute. Oh my god, this case is amazing. So let's go through it right now. I can already tell what some of the comments for this are going to be, and I just straight up don't care. This case is adorable, and I love it. So, just bask in its glory right now. So on the front of the case, as you can see, again, this is one of the showpieces of the case, we have just this. I don't even think I need to explain it. That is a horse with a gun and another horse with a grenade. I believe if they have wings, they are Pegasi. I believe that's the word. So yes, we have a Pegasus and another Pegasus. Much like cacti, it's Pegasi, with weapons on the front of the case. On the side of the case, we have 4 more neon, Technicolor, whatever you call it, rainbow horses doing various things, but they all look angry. There's one with a sniper rifle up here. This is so freaking amazing. I love it. Now you might think, oh, only the front and side are customized, but nope, the top is too. Yes, that is also amazing. There's another one. There's just rainbow lasers coming out the top. This is the most adorable case I've ever owned. And then, of course, we have the side. Now, there's nothing going on the inside, because as much as I've, as she's done a build before, she doesn't know a ton about PC cases and didn't want to, risk opening up, which is completely fine. There really needs to be nothing in here because the parts and stuff will speak for themselves. And we do have, of course, every single piece of this case has been customized. Every piece of the outside, the side panel, the top, the front, and this side under where the tempered glass goes. This case is literally so cool. I'm going to put it on the other side so you can get a good view of it. So I'm hoping by now you can see why I'm so excited to do a cute build inside of this case. It is adorably amazing. And yes, I know, again, I know what some of the comments are going to say. I straight up don't care. This is awesome. But it opens up another thing too. I want to know, just generally speaking, I don't care what you think of what's actually on the case because I think it's freaking amazing, and that's really all that matters. The artwork is so well done. This was hand drawn. Everything here was hand drawn on this case, which is another awesome thing. So, she was actually, when I got this case back, I was like, people, because they did actually appear on stream. Some people who watched my live stream did see this case in advance. If you want spoilers for any of my videos, watch my live streams. I always just have them in the background because my room's a mess, as you know. And my girlfriend mentioned that she would definitely be willing to customize more cases in the future for different builds, and possibly, this is spoilers, possibly, I don't know, maybe selling them in the future, but that's besides the point entirely. I just wanted to make a whole video showing off this case. And I did. This case is awesome, and I know I've said that a ton. I don't care. I'm so excited to build in this case. It's freaking adorable. It is. It's so cute. Ah, man, it's so cute. I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait for this build. It's going to be probably my first build in a completely custom case. So it'll definitely be an awesome build. I'm still deciding on parts. We're really deciding between Threadripper, Extreme Edition, just Ryzen 9, whatever it is. I don't know what's going to be, but I'm trying to get the cutest boards and stuff like that. I've got a really awesome cooler for it. I've got a graphics card already picked out. So again, this is going to be an exciting build. And I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video because, I just felt like this case deserved its own entire video of me just talking about how amazing it is and saying how amazing my girlfriend is at art. Yes, I'm bragging. Deal with it. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. So, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the case in the description below. Yes, I know I'm going to get probably a ton of hate. I always get hate. Who cares? Salty kids. But that's not the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. Stay tuned for this build. I'm so excited to do this build. It may end up being my new streaming PC. I don't know. I have to figure out what I'm going to do for it entirely. But that's not the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Is colorful. On the case,